So we've got this new, freshly 500 square meter concrete tilt-up warehouse, and this is going to be our new stripping area, refitting, polishing. We'll show you once it's all set up and finished over the next coming weeks.
Check, man. How are ya?
Good. All right, guys, we're in a undisclosed location here. It looks a little bit different. I'm with Frank Albanese.
With Mr. Mafia Calabria.
Yeah, we got the Italian mafia here, Frank. He's our new landlord for this building here. As you guys know, we own the premises at CK, and we're meant to do the extension there. We've been stuffed around by Mitcham Council, still waiting on DA approval, got planning approval. So we've this was fortunate enough to come up for lease, and the guys moved out. So we've got this new, freshly 500 square meter concrete tilt-up warehouse, literally across the road from CK. And this is going to be our new stripping area, refitting, polishing, the QC. Literally all the last little refinements, all the last little things will get done here. Front will be storage. As you can see, this place is huge. We've got air conditioning office, 2 disabled toilets. We got 2 offices. We got everything, massive car park at the front. We got Joel from Smith Automotive. We haven't seen that guy in a minute. Joe, what are you doing, man? But yeah, no, it's a great space. We're gonna do polished concrete floors. We're gonna put LED lighting in. We're gonna deck out the whole place. You know how I like to fit out shops, so this will be no expense shared. We're going to paint the building black at the front with all the CK logos. So yeah, this is a new, exciting chapter for CK. We got Joel, my buddy. How are you, bro?
Hey, mate.
Joel from Smith Automotive. You obviously collab with him a lot on a lot of projects that we do together. He's come to drop Damien's car off. Yeah. Just gave it a service. We can put something there. Yeah. Of course we can. #1 sponsor. He's going to pay for everything, and we're going to put his sign up.
Voice in the corner?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, so I'll take you for a bit of a walk through and we'll show you this space we got going on here. Like I said, the office space here, nothing too exciting to look at. We got female's toilet there. We have our kitchenette in here. I don't even know where the light switches are. I'm still used to this shit. Where are the light switches? Oh, fuck. Anyways, we'll go upstairs. This is where the magic happens. No girls beyond this point, only men. Obviously, we're gonna have this as a stripping area, so I'm probably gonna have this. Can you swap around with me? So I think from this line here, I'll have shelving all along here, and we can store all the parts and wheels and stuff for cars. I then want to put probably a boardroom table somewhere here so we can have meetings with our staff and / lunchroom. So obviously we've got the kitchen downstairs. We'll put our table here so they can have their lunch. And then here in the corner or something, I've just gotten the keys about 10 minutes ago. So I'm just literally giving you guys false hope because I don't even know what I'm doing with this space. I'm gonna put a TV up and a couch. So definitely part storage, boardroom, couch, TV. So, you know, if we're here working late one night or we want to catch up with the boys, have dinner, we've got somewhere we can hang out and, you know, it's enclosed and away from everyone. We can shut the doors and, you know, just do our thing. So, yeah, that's that. And, yeah, I think down here, all right, so I reckon we're going to have along here, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars along here. I'm thinking maybe put a hoist here, have a flat belly hoist here, or even have a flat belly there so it's out the way. It's going to be a nice, clean, organised area. A hoist so we can do undercarriages, you know, detailing, mechanical if we want to do a service on a car or something. But yeah, I'm not too sure exactly. I haven't really worked it out, but it's something like that. So a couple of cars along there, hoist here, probably have a detailing bay, somewhere with some hex lights. I'm not sure, but ChatGPT is going to help me. We're going to design this together with ChatGPT and Claude. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's pretty cool. So here, camera guy's paying for this because he's got heaps of money. We'll do a graffiti wall here. So when we finish cars, we can park them here and we can have a backdrop, some nice lighting if there's some sun decides to come out sometime soon. But yes, this is the plans for the shop. We'll show you once it's all set up and finished over the next coming weeks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your boy CK.